The leaves are falling, red and gold. Thanksgiving's here, a story told. Families gather near and far to share their thanks for who they are. Long ago on autumn's day, new friends came from far away. They planted seeds, they learned to grow. With kindness shared, their hearts did glow. The harvest came, the table spread, with corn and beans and homemade bread. They laughed, they sang, they bowed to say, we're thankful for this gift today. Now every year we do the same, with turkey pie and candle flame. We hug our friends, we hold hands tight, and count our blessings every night. We're thankful for the food we share, for love and laughter everywhere, for cozy homes and skies so blue, and every little thing we do. Grandma's knitting, Daddy's cheer, Mommy's cooking, cousins near. Brothers giggle, sisters play, all together on this day. So Thanksgiving isn't just a feast, it's love and kindness most and least. A time to smile, a time to sing, a day of thanks for